morning everyone. Today I am in London and everything here is so beautiful and lovely. Even the plants along the side of the road and the buildings and the London cabs. I'm just so excited to be here. Wait, can you hear that? There's so many birds chirping in the morning. Don't think you can hear it now. It's a really lovely stroll in the morning and the weather is amazing. It feels like an aircon temperature, so comfortable. And can you believe it? It's sunny in London. I was packing my umbrella and expecting it to be rainy, but just look at the beautiful weather today. The sun is out. Look at all these pink flowers lining the side of the roads. Is it sakura? Wait, is this blueberries? Oh, I don't dare to eat it. You know, it can be dangerous. It really does look like blueberries, right? Did you guys just see that dog? The cutest little sausage. Wow, I've just wandered into the most beautiful park. I believe this is the park. Wow, looks like a castle. Today is really a perfect day to explore London. I really can't ask for more. Oh, so this building is the Natural History Museum. I totally did not know that. Wow, do you see the balcony over there covered in flowers? Wow, it's the perfect balcony. Right, so looking at the map, I am here. And if I walk up, I'm gonna go to Royal College of Music and Imperial College London, and I've seen this before and I've also seen Royal Albert Hall. But let's just go for a walk. Oh, it's getting a little cold, chilly with the wind. But you know what, the goal in this trip is to take at least one nice picture with a phone booth. I'll put a picture up here after I've done it. And just to eat a lot of delicious food and see the beautiful sights of London. You know what? I just spotted a very cute phone booth next to the Victoria and Albert Museum. Let's see what I can do with it. You know what? This is the first time in a super long time that I've seen an ice cream truck. Can you believe it still exists? Wow, I find this building so nicely curved in. So behind me now is the Royal College of Music, and I can actually hear a lot of students practicing in the music room. I can hear the trumpets, the piano, and it just made me think back about my time in the music school. I don't know how to feel about it. Sometimes I wonder what happens if I continue to study and take my master's degree in music. But now I'm here and I'm happy to be here and doing what I like every day, so I have no regrets. What is going on? Why are there so many soldiers on horses? Wait, is there some kind of parade going on? Wait, I don't understand. There's police officers. Oh, did you see that? A horse ambulance? What? Only in London. A horse ambulance right here. This little truck here. Totally just chanced upon this Bella Bartok Memorial in London. This is Hyde Park. It's a really beautiful day. Today happens to be a bank holiday as well, so everyone is out here. We're gonna eat duck rice at Gold Mine. today because of the bank holiday. Oh, look at this rainbow building. Mr. Monopoly. Wow. I'm surprised to see a river here. It feels a little like where? Amsterdam. Wow, I never expected it to be so hot. But yeah, it's a beautiful place, Camden Town. Wow, look at the dessert. This is the Serial Killer Cafe. Look at that. Full of cereals. So many brands I've never seen before. Kinds of cereal. Look at this, there's breakfast with Barbie, Ghostbusters, Spice Bar.
For you?
Can I see the large size?
Large size?
Yeah, I will get the large size. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Just
Thank
help
you.
yourself.
This is London Bridge. And what is that? Is that behind me? Do you see that? Is that London Bridge or is this London Bridge? Okay, I think the one over here is London Bridge. So what am I standing on? Wait, I'm confused. Alright, I got it figured out. So I'm standing on London Bridge and what we see behind is Tower Bridge. Wow, I would imagine that that is London Bridge because it looks so unique. All my life I thought this bridge was London Bridge. What an embarrassing moment. This is London's Tower Bridge. Very iconic, very grand. We've made it to Trafalgar Square. This is my lunch before I go back home. It's purple rice with broccoli and also a mango banana granola. Hopefully it tastes good.